Was it on fire outside or inside? There's all the oil, bro.
Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding that front bumper. As it says on his windshield, dang. Uh-oh.
You need a welder? He has a welder. I have jumper cables and a battery pack. Okay, let's see what's going on. You're begging to get fixed right now. Oh man, because you got that fancy aftermarket stuff.
No, man.
I got the stock. You're gonna have to mock that up so where it's not crooked either.
It holds itself.
And then we'll stick weld it. But what I need you to do is find 2 batteries and a pair of jumper cables. I got the rest. You gotta subscribe. What was your name?
Matthew.
We're making sparks. Okay, positive, negative. And then the colors are fucking me up. Plus sign to minus sign. Plus sign.
You can edit this.
At least it's not sticking. Turn up the voltage. Matt, was it Matt? It's Matt's bracket. I'm gonna say that thing's gonna hold. This? Oh, right here. Thanks to Louis and Fiamma Miche Cure. What's the Insta?
_Abe_crew.
Where can people find you? The Philippines. Manila.
Friendster.
All right, here's the photographer, JRWH Media. All right, cool. I'll make sure. I fucking hit hard. There's all the oil, bro.
I would ask what kind of car do you have, but I really don't know.
Thank you, 805 Miche.
Wait, it's for the TikTok. So look at me. Wait, one more. Look, I always.
Look at this. Hit right here and that. I split it. Here, I got you a Miche. Refill. You have to vlog it. Was it on fire outside or inside?
It was like on the gas. Like in the gas tank.
Okay, yeah, that's no bueno. Let him do all the work. Hey boys and girl. Send it vato. Who's working here?
He got fired. First day.
Hey, what happened? What happened to his car? What's up, Sprinter? Tito Sprinter. Where can people follow you?
Facebook.
Oh shit! Someone broke your windshield, Potato. God damn it! Someone spilled michelada everywhere.
So if you do a lot of little it bogs out. You have to like wing.
Did you see the dirt trap?
It's okay.
Steph's car again. Take one. Stop. Okay guys, Steph's gonna show me how it's really supposed to be done in her car. You okay?
Yeah.
Don't come back, they're gonna charge you.
What?
Just run.
What?
They're gonna charge you like Potato. Oh shit, what's all this stuff on the floor? Oh, whatever.
It was great. It was awesome. Had fun. I'll be back soon.
How's the day?
It's great.
How's your day?
Awesome. Definitely.
It was upside down. All right, like,
charged
comment,
for
and
it?
subscribe. Thank you guys.